Hello students, this is lecture 6. In this I shall be proving a theorem and then defining the universal enveloping algebra of a Lie algebra. This theorem is a straightforward application of the Lie's theorem. So let L be a finite dimensional solvable Lie algebra over an algebraically closed field F of characteristic 0. Then there exists a chain of ideals L equal to IS containing IS minus 1 containing so on I1 containing 0. So this is a descending chain of ideals of L such that dimension of Ij is J for all J equal to 1, 2, 3 up to S. So dimension of I1 will be 1, dimension of I2 will be 2 and dimension of Is, which is L, will be S. So this is the proof. First of all we take add the adjoint representation on L. So this add from L to LLL, the Lie algebra of all linear operators on L. This is a Lie algebra homomorphism. So add is the adjoint representation on L. Now image of add will be add L, which all of you know is equal to in L, because add L is add x, x in L. See, this adjoint representation is defined by this. Add x is add x, where add x of A is A comma x for all x in L. So image of add will be add L, which is actually in L. Collection of all these add x, x in L. This is the collection of all inner derivations on L. So add from L to add L is epimorphism, because add L is image of this. So from L to add L, this will be epimorphism. That means add L is homomorphic image of L and L is solvable. So add L, which is equal to in L, is also solvable. Now add L equal to in L is a Lie subalgebra of LLL. So if we take a composition series of L relative to add L, this is the composition series, L equal to L1 containing L2 and so on, Ls containing Ls plus 1 equal to 0. This is a composition series of L relative to add L. Then all these Li's are invariant under add L. So add L of Li will be contained in Li. And what is add L of Li? It is Li comma L. This is very simple, because if we take x in L and y in Li, then add x is in add L. Add x of y, this is y comma x, and because Li's are invariant under add L, so y comma x is in Li. So add L of Li, which is equal to Li comma L, is contained in Li. That means these Li's are ideals of L. Now on this composition series, we apply the Lie's theorem. We can do this because L is finite dimensional and add L is a solvable Lie algebra of linear operators on L over an algebraically closed field F of characteristic 0. So all the conditions of the Lie's theorem are met, and hence by Lie's theorem dimension of Li upon Li plus 1 is 1 for all I. So dimension of Ls will be 1, dimension of Ls minus 1 is 2 and dimension of L equal to L1 is Ss. Now we denote by Ij. Ij is Ls minus J minus 1. These Li's are ideal, so all the Ij's are ideals of L. And what will be dimension of Ij? From this we can easily see that dimension of Ij is J for all J. Now we define the universal enveloping algebra of a Lie algebra L over a field F. The universal enveloping algebra of a Lie algebra L over a field F is an ordered pair AI. Look at this notation. AI, where this A is an associative algebra over F and I is a homomorphism from L to AL. These are Lie algebras. So I is a Lie algebra homomorphism of L into AL, such that if There is another associative algebra A. This A is different from this. If there is any other associative algebra A over F and there is a homomorphism theta from L into AL, so this is again a Lie algebra homomorphism, then there exists a unique homomorphism theta dash from A to A. Now both these are associative algebras, so theta dash is a homomorphism of associative algebras. There exists a unique homomorphism theta dash from this A to this A such that theta is equal to I theta dash. So this basically means that this diagram commutes. Theta is equal to, this theta is equal to I theta dash. So this is a commutative diagram. So here L is the Lie algebra. This A is the universal enveloping algebra of L. So I is the homomorphism of Lie algebras from L to this A. This A is any other associative algebra and theta is a Lie algebra homomorphism from L to this A. Then there exists a unique homomorphism of associative algebras from this A to this A such that I theta dash is theta. So in the next lecture I shall be proving the uniqueness of the universal enveloping algebra of a Lie algebra.